In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Moodle with WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect your Moodle learning management system with your WordPress website, creating a smooth experience for both administrators and learners. Let's dive right in. The first step is to install the Edwiser Bridge plugin on your WordPress site. Edwiser Bridge is a powerful tool that acts as a bridge between WordPress and Moodle, allowing the two platforms to communicate with each other. To install it, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the sidebar menu, click Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type Edwiser Bridge and press Enter. When the plugin appears in the search results, click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate. Activating the plugin is essential as it enables the functionality needed to connect your WordPress site with Moodle. With the WordPress side ready, let's move on to configuring Moodle. Log in to your Moodle site as an administrator. From the dashboard, navigate to Site Administration. This section is the central control panel for managing Moodle's system settings. Inside Site Administration, click on Plugins, then look for the Edwiser Bridge Setup Wizard. Launching this wizard will guide you through the process of connecting Moodle to your WordPress site. As you work through the Setup Wizard, you'll be prompted to enter important connection details. These typically include API endpoints, security tokens, and your WordPress and Moodle site URLs. These details allow secure communication between WordPress and Moodle. Be sure to follow each step carefully, as incorrect information can cause connection issues. Double-check all entries before proceeding, especially URLs and authentication keys. Once the setup wizard is complete, your Moodle and WordPress sites should now be successfully connected. This integration enables powerful features such as synchronizing users between platforms, managing course enrollments from WordPress, and providing a smoother learning and login experience. WordPress can now handle marketing, design, and user interaction, while Moodle continues managing courses and learning content in the background. If you encounter any issues, review your settings carefully and consult the Edwiser Bridge documentation or support resources for troubleshooting assistance. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand how to integrate Moodle with WordPress effectively. Thanks for watching and happy learning!